Newly released clip of BBC News presenter swearing live on reveals what really happened. Interesting. So social media celebrity after a full clip of her swearing live on air. No, that was not it. Why would it start off with like her? Why would the title would say she was swearing on camera when we actually all know it was like flipping the bird? Well, I suppose this. Well, I suppose this has something to do with it. It's supposed to do something to do with it. Cause like, look. Oh, look at that. That's. Oh, look at that. That's Hold on. Let's get that. I'd like to get that again. Yo, I got it. That's stupid. But anyway, back to what I was like saying. Nope, I'm sorry. The most absurd roleplay ever. New BBC News president swears on live camera. That's like shocking. It was a joke. She apparently actually said it was a joke. She says, meanwhile, the fourth question. Apologized to his fans. She wrote, "Hey everyone, yesterday just before the top of the hour, I was joking around a bit with the team in the gallery. I was pretending to count down as the director was counting me down from 10 to 0, including the fingers to show the numbers. So from 10 fingers to 1, when we got to 1, I turned fingers around as a joke and did realize this would be caught on camera." She added, "It was a private joke with the team, and I'm so sorry if I went out on the air. It's not my intentions for this to happen, and I'm sorry if I offended or upset anyone. I wasn't flipping the bird at viewers or even a person, really. It was a silly joke that was meant for a small number of my mates." But some people will say they completely say that was like unprofessional, which, well, if she said, yeah, of course it was unprofessional, but at least she said sorry in the end. At least she said sorry in the end. I literally